As the temperatures increase, so will the number of insects in your garden, including the beneficial insects. While bees are a great classic example of beneficial insects, there are tons more examples that you can find during these times in your garden. Our first example are ladybugs, or ladybird beetles. Despite their cute name, ladybugs are very aggressive predators and are great to have in the garden. They can live up to 1 year and are mostly active during the spring and summer months. Ladybugs have a complete metamorphosis life cycle, meaning they go through different life cycle stages in their lives, from an egg, a larva, a pupa, and adult stage. The larva and the adult stage are the predatory stages. These guys are the most active predators in the garden. In fact, a ladybug can actually eat over 50 aphids per day in your garden. There are over 5,000 known species of ladybugs, and during their adult stages, they actually hibernate during the cooler seasons. While you can purchase ladybugs commercially, what really ends up happening is there's no real guarantee that they'll actually be productive predators in the garden. The reason why is because these ladybugs harvested commercially are usually harvested during their hibernating stages in the wild. So what ends up happening is after 2 to 3 days, your ladybugs that you purchase end up flying away and don't really inhabit the area for too long. And so in that case, it's more advised for you to attract ladybugs naturally by providing flowers and nectar sources and water sources in order to attract ladybugs and have them stay longer in your garden. Ladybugs are just one of many beneficial insects you can find in your garden. Remember, while some insects can be gross, intimidating, or a nuisance, the majority of insects have a purpose on this planet and help protect our food, our ecosystems, and our existence. For more videos like these, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.